Skincare and Team 365 wishes you a very happy and prosperous new year. We would like to take the opportunity to thank you all for subscribing to our Skincare Textile Information channel. We are so happy for the encouragement you are giving us, and we promise you we'll bring a lot of spinning information, discussions, and technical reviews on our Skincare channel, which will be useful to the technicians. From Skincare channel, we continue to bring spinning news and technical information. Team 365 provides you project consultancy and technical consultancy, project management and allied services. Team 365 is the largest professional technical organization providing services for spinning industry. We provide erection and installation, plant shifting services, maintenance and AMC services, technical audits for maintenance, quality, productivity, thermography, compressor, and air leak audits. We also provide plant audits before acquiring used textile machinery and second-hand plants from India as well as abroad. We would like to thank you for the overwhelming support you have given us during the past years, and we would continue to provide you all these valuable services. Thank you so much for encouraging us on our new Skincare channel to bring about technical spinning information. Once again, I would like to wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. Thank you.